So it's video time. This is Run Nipples Run.
Can I see?
Look at my hair. It's red. I don't know if you can see it. Wait. Let's turn it that way.
This is Run Nipples Run.
Stop it. This is red hair for once. Check that out. It's all red. So I'm gonna take this into the kitchen so my brother can watch his movie. I have no makeup on. Okay. Okay, so there's been a couple of things that I've been wanting to talk about, but I really haven't had the chance to been talking about them, so here we go. The first thing that I'd really like to talk about is I went to Sunsplash the other night. I think it was, today's Friday, so that was on Wednesday. It was Wild Wednesdays. That was fun. I got really sick though from swallowing all the salt water. Swallowing all the salt water in the lazy river and the wave pool and everything. That didn't taste very good. But I wore a one piece, so my boobs, they didn't fall out, and that was nice. But yeah. What else should I talk about? I should totally talk about how awesome I look in these sunglasses because I look pretty badass. Take my hair down because I'm badass like that. I don't know how long this video is gonna end up being, but it's going to be one of my not recreational. It's just going to be one of those videos that I just go on blah 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 and I keep blabbering about shit that no one needs to really know about. But I don't care. You guys love me, so I'm just gonna keep talking about myself. My name's Hannah. I bet you didn't know that. I'm a failure. I fail at life half the time, but I don't know who I was gonna make a shout out to. Oh, Touch My Mafia. I love you guys. Jess and Jen, you're my best friends forever. I can't wait for Jess to come out to Nevada so I can go out and see you. And then to Molly. You know who that's. You know what that is. But yeah, so what was I going to show you? I'm gonna show you some stuff. Like, we're gonna take a look at my fridge for really no reason. Look how empty my fridge is. Oh, there's like nothing in here anymore. It used to be full of delicious foods, and then there's the top. Yeah, obviously I couldn't get my camera to work, so I'm using a laptop, a Mac. Freezer pop. You can wait there. Ow. Oh, I also went. Damn it. I also went to American Idol. See? Wait. I like that. It's the I poisoned American Idols. Yeah, God, I've gotten fat. So yeah. This is probably one of the longest videos on my thing. I'm gonna go to a chair. Oh, that's better. So, let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things here, maybe. Let's talk about sex. I'm sorry. I have 2 cats right now, and I'm fostering them. The male, he likes to poop everywhere in my room, so I'm getting rid of him today. I can't help it. I'm tired of looking under my dresser and finding cat crap. Maybe I should stop recording now.